If you're feeling lost right now, like you're just drifting through life without a clear direction, you're not broken, you're just searching for alignment. And the truth is, most people go through life chasing what they think they should want. A job title, a paycheck, someone else's version of success. But here's the harsh reality. Clarity doesn't come from overthinking. It comes from movement. From trying, failing, adjusting. From doing uncomfortable things and learning who you are in the process. You feel lost because you're waiting for the perfect plan, the perfect motivation, the perfect sign. But life doesn't reward those who wait. It rewards those who move. So how do you fix it? Start small, explore what excites you, even if it's just a curiosity. Create more than you consume. Say yes to challenges you'd usually avoid. Get quiet, unplug, and listen to your own voice, not everyone else's. And most importantly, stop expecting clarity to hit you like lightning. It unfolds step by step, and every step you take creates the path forward. You're not behind, you're not late, you're just in the middle of figuring it out, and that's exactly where you're supposed to be. Start walking. That's how you stop feeling lost. You move, you act, you build, and one day, without even realizing it, you'll look around and think, this is exactly where I'm meant to be.